Hi, my name is Marta and I'm going to answer a few questions about my friendships. Who's your closest friend? My closest friend's name is Marley Morales. How did you meet? I met her when I started my students at this university. How many friends do you have on social networking? They are very few since I hardly frequent social media. Who were your friends when you were grown up? When I was little, my friends were Tani Maecha and Jessica Maecha. Do you have any friends that had exciting life? Explain why? No, because my only friend has an next to her children and husband. Thank you.